Unboxing time got a sleek Dell 15 today. Matte charcoal finish, thin profile looks premium for budget. 15. 6-inch, FHD, 120Hz display, buttery smooth scrolling and streams. Under the hood, Intel Core i3 100U, snappy everyday performance. 8GB DDR, 4 RAM, and a 512GB NVMe SSD included. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, clean multitasking with Copilot. Size and weight make it ideal for students and commuters. Let's unbox and see build, keyboard, screen, and ports. First impression, solid hinge, matte chassis, resists fingerprints well. Thin bezels frame that 15. 6-inch display, beautifully modern look. Integrated HD webcam performs fine for classes and video calls. Keyboard is roomy with a dedicated numeric keypad, love it. Keys feel responsive. Lifted hinge provides ergonomic typing angle. Trackpad is large and accurate for everyday navigation tasks. Ports include USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, SD reader, and audio. Good to see a dedicated power jack for secure charging. Display brightness and color are great for streaming and studying. 120Hz refresh makes scrolling and web browsing feel noticeably smoother. Comfort View reduces blue light, my eyes felt less strained. Battery life surprised me, all-day productivity with light use. Express charge tops battery quickly when I need a boost. Performance handles web tabs, documents, and light multitasking smoothly. 8GB RAM is fine for students and everyday workflows. 512GB NVMe SSD boots Windows fast and launches apps instantly. Intel UHD graphics handles videos, casual edits, and light gaming. Thermals stay controlled. Laptop remains comfortable on my lap. Speakers are decent for video calls, not for music lovers. Build feels durable enough for backpacks and daily commuting. 1 year on-site service adds reassurance for hardware issues. Dell will come to you if remote fixes fail. Who is this for? Students, remote workers, and home users. Ideal for note-taking, spreadsheets, streaming, and everyday productivity tasks. Not designed for heavy gaming or intensive content creation workflows. Value proposition, solid performance, comfortable keyboard, premium matte finish. Port selection is versatile for external drives and monitors. Windows 11 features like snap layouts improve multitasking efficiency. Comfort View and ergonomic hinges help with long study sessions. Design includes recycled plastic palm rest, small eco-friendly detail appreciated. Setup took minutes. Copilot shortcuts and Windows tools felt intuitive. Daily workflow test, browser tabs, video, and document edits performed. Resume and file transfers are quick thanks to NVMe speeds. If you need heavier multitasking, consider upgrading RAM later. Storage room is generous. 512GB handles large files comfortably. Portability plus battery life make it great for classes and cafes. Price to performance ratio positions it as a dependable daily driver. Minor gripe: speakers and discrete graphics are entry-level, but for its category, compromises are reasonable and expected. Setup tip: enable Comfort View and adjust display brightness accordingly. Also map the calculator hotkey productivity small win. If you travel, the slim hinge and I/O are convenient. Camera and mic are reliable for remote classes and meetings. Quick benchmark impression: snappy app launches, modest CPU multitasking headroom. Storage and RAM are upgradable on some SKUs, check options. Final verdict: dependable, ergonomic, and excellent for everyday productivity. Recommended for students, remote workers, and budget-conscious professionals. Not for power users. Consider higher-tier models for heavier tasks. If you like this, check links below for pricing details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews.